Hello guys, what's up, welcome to my YouTube channel. uh, right now I'm about to show you how to fix a copyright music on your video, because I've seen uh, many people they are removing their videos without even doing anything about it. And imagine you have a watch out on your video and then you feel like you want to remove it. So if you remove it, it means that your watcher will also be deleted, which will make your channel, not to have a watcher that you needed, and you will not be monetized. So right now I'm about to share with you one of the way to do or to fix this music copyright. The good thing is that YouTube already provide us with the free musics, and we are going to edit a video direct on YouTube. So this is what we are going to see. uh, last night I received this music copyright, okay, right here. Let me share with you guys. Here it said a copyright on a claim some content in your video quill run and Nyabanul wedding, someone in Gambia, Ethiopia, Christian Church. Okay, this is a copyright that I received from the video, and I do not know what that means, and I'm gonna find out. But this is a music copyright; it's not a video copyright. So this is what we're gonna do. I will go direct into content. You see, let me simply assume that you are on the studio. Simple type is studio, studio.youtube.com. Okay, that one. This one, okay, studio.youtube.com. This is, you simply enter that so that it will bring you to your YouTube studio where your contents are, and this is where you can see everything, your watch hour, your monetization and everything, right? So here, this is what we're gonna do right here. We are going, let me pull these things out there just like that. Okay, right here. Okay, uh, we have to go to content, this content right here, content. You see the content, and we have to go directly into filter. There's a filter right here, you can see filter there. Okay, so this filter right here, you click that, and then you look for this thing called copyright claim, this one right here. We have everything right here, but what we need right now is copyright claim, so we can click that. So the system will show us the video that have a copyright issue. Let's say this is it has a video copyright issue. Let's come here. Okay, you can see it right there, it say ineligible, right? So you can see a monetization, so it means that I have issue on this video. Let me simply point my pointer right there. If I point it right here, like, okay, okay, if I point my pointer right here on the copyright claim, you can see that it pop up something, copyright protected content found. Don't allow the content to be used, but you cannot monetize your video, which means that I cannot monetize that. So I have to fix that, okay, so here we are going to click see details. Okay, um, here we are going to see what kind of music brought these copyright issues. Okay, so here let's me pull it up there. So it said content identified in this video is listed below. Nakaji or love you Kangeje content. It means that Kangeje already put a copyright claim on his songs, which is bringing a bigger impact into our YouTube channel. So, and instead of deleting the video because this is a copyright issue, okay, I will simply have to do something about that. Here we have this small three dot button right here. If you click that, this thing will pop up. It will tell you that team art segment, replace song or mute song. So this is what will happen, because you can use one of these, but for me I do not want to trim it out. I do not want to replace a song, because you can also trim it out, like you remove this part. What about if there's other part of the video? Also the video will be removed from the system, but this I mean the video and the song will be removed, but I do not want the video to be removed. I want video to remain there with the watch hour that I earned from the video. I could also use replace the songs. What about if there's a lot of, let's say, let me click replace song, and we are going to see. Okay, so here you can see that we have this red, the area right here. This is where JJ song is. So this song right here, Nakaji, it means that it can destroy my YouTube. So what I can do is that I can remove it. So let me simply do this. On this place, right, we have a music. All right, we have something here. Okay, it said music is started audio library. So we are on the library right here, so I can simply click one of the song right here. Let's say, let me add Spunky Bob, this one. I will add another one. So from here I can align it, putting this thing right here till I meet till I cover all this red place. So let me simply do it again. Okay, and then I can do this. Yeah, now you've seen that it disappears. So I'm gonna simply make sure that I put it right here. Let me see, you see, okay, there. So now I cover that place. I'm gonna cover the other place right there, because this thing can destroy my channel. So what I'm gonna do, I will simply scroll down. Okay, so you can see now I'm having a time because they are many. I can move it up to there, but if it cannot allow me, because I cannot scroll down, then I'm gonna simply, okay, this is how you can do it. You can change it when you want to. So remember that. So I will go back after you completed covering all this red place on your system. All you gotta do is that you can save it, but for me I will not save it right now because I'm gonna use other things. So, and again, you can click the three dot again and goes direct into this. You can also use muting. Muting is when you want the video will be there but the song will not be displayed. So there are all displays right there. They will be muted when the song when the video is playing, and I do not want to do that, because what if people want to hear a noise or something there? It will be very hard for them. They will be simply viewing a video without any sound. So I'm not going to mute that. I will cancel that. So now I show you all these three of these things. And again, if you are the owner of the song right there, maybe somebody put a copyright on your song, you can dispute it. You can sue the person. But this thing belongs to Kang JJ, so we are not going to dispute or do anything. So here we are going to cancel it. So now we haven't yet done what we are here for. So I show you the three ways to remove the copyright music. So now what we're going to do, we have to click the video itself that has the copyright claim. So we go directly into editor right here. We have editor right here at the left side. We can simply click editor, this one. So click that and this thing will appear. Okay, here we have a lot of things which are listed right here that we can use. Let's say if that the video that are the video that has a claim, you can blur it. You can blur the video by simply clicking that blur. You can simply face blur or custom blur. Okay, so that face blur, you can simply do that. You click that and then it will scan the video. After that, when it is done, it will cover all the face, but we are not here for that. What we are here for, we can also trim some part of the video. What we are here is simply to add to cover all this place, all the songs, okay, with a different song. So I will click that, this one. I'm not going to play the video because the video has a copyright, music copyright issue. So what I will do right here is simply adding a song right there. Okay, I will add you can choose any song that you feel like you want to add there, but I will add more of these. Okay, these audios. So hold on, let me add more. Okay, there. And then after you complete it, let's say I already completed, what we are going to cover is this song right here, this web. You can see the web right there. So I can simply point my pointer right there and I will put it right there. So because I want to align it. Okay, so remember this lining up is they cannot be in the same row. This is not YouTube things. YouTube only put each and every one in his own channel. So we are going to cover all this audio just like that, right there, because it is not our issue. The issue is the person who is who put copyright song on his songs. Okay, so here we are going to add, because okay, here we have other thing right there. Okay, there. Okay, then we can simply do this little things right there. Okay, now we cover everything. So we are going to delete this thing because this thing got no use right there. You can simply delete that, pressing the delete button on your keyboard. So you can see that this is the hierarchy. You can line up all the audios, replacing the audio that are already in there. So what we're gonna do, we are going to save it because we already done. We have completed everything. What remains is to save the video. How can we save it? You can simply come to saved, or you discard change right here. We can simply click save, and then we save. So now the YouTube's will process the audio that we put to make sure that it remove the background music that has copyright. So okay, it's saying now video is being processed, please check back later. That's right. So we can now go back to our content. You will see that it say checking one found. It means that it is on the process. When it is complete, this ineligible will be legible. It will be monetized. The video will be monetized, and I can earn some coin on that. So this is how you can simply remove the music copyright. If that the video that has a copyright and you wanted to use the video, I mean you want to use the washout that are on your video. Okay, all you gotta do is that you go to that video. Let me simply select one of the video right here, and I will show you how to you can do that. So let me simply come right here. Okay, so this is the video, this video right here. I will go direct into editor. So here we have, of course, okay, we have all this thing. We are not here to change the audio, but we are here simply to blur the video in case if there's a copyright issue on the video, not the audio, on the image. So all we gotta do, you go to this thing called blur. There's something called blur right here. This is blur. So let me pull these things away. Okay, this blur things right here, what we're gonna do right now, okay, let me put there. What we're gonna do right here, we can simply go direct into blur, this blur right here, and then we can click the plus sign right there. Blur is when you want to cover the face. You do not want people to recognize the video. So we can simply use custom blur, not face blur, because when it is face blur, the YouTube will simply scan all the face on the video and blur them, but that one will take a lot of time. So what we're gonna do, we have to cover the whole video with this blur stuff, custom blur. Now you can see that we have this rectangle right there, so you can simply increase the size, okay, just like that. So now you can see nobody okay can be able to see anything there. If you have a watch hour, your watch hour will not be removed. So you can simply trace this because we want it. We want the whole video to be blurred. Okay, this is in case when you do not need to remove the video. Imagine maybe your video being watched by 5,000, 4,000 people, and you do not want to remove that because those watch hour, they can help you if your YouTube haven't yet monetized. So you can use this style to remove the claim, because it is somehow good. When the time comes, you can be monetized easily. Otherwise, it will be very hard for you to get monetized. So you can blur the whole thing. So let me. So if you have a good internet, this thing will move faster. Okay, it just simply have to first scan. Okay, because they need us to do that. So after you complete it, you trace this. Let's say right here we are still. You simply have to wait for this. Okay, it's on the process. We don't need to track this. It has to be simply rectangle. Okay, fix blur, this one. Okay, there we can simply do this. Okay, now we have stretched it. Okay, we have to make sure that we are right there. Okay, here. Now we covered the whole video. Nobody can see anything there, and nobody can claim anything from this video. So the next move is simply to save it. After you save it, that's it. You are done. You are good to go. You can use the video. Even though if nobody gonna watch the video, this thing will help you for your watch hour when somebody claim anything from your video. Thank you guys for watching. This is what I want to share with you today. If you have any question, please drop it down below. If you love the video, simply share it, and also leave a comment, and never forget to smash the subscribe button Thank you for watching. Bye bye.